Hi, James here with Spartan Storm Services. I'm here on the Jenz roof. They have an active claim with their insurance provider due to wind damage to the roof. The insurance company has paid for repairs that have fallen below the deductible, if I am correct. One of the disadvantages is that the adjuster on this claim wasn't able to come out and view the damages in person, get a feel for the roof and the condition that it's currently in. A lot of the roofs in the development have been approved for replacement due to the age and the condition of the roof. Most of the adjusters came out and decided that the roof wasn't worth repairing. Again, just due to the condition of the roof, they didn't feel that it was necessary to go and move forward with repairs. I mean, most of these roofs only had, between 5 and 15 shingles damaged on it. But with the condition of the roof, they knew that the minor wind damage would escalate into additional damages during the repair process. In addition to that, this is an HOA. I mean, you could take a look around and see that everything is pretty much similar in appearance. They have a lot of guidelines here. Everything has to be uniform, yards kept, trash cans can't be out. I mean, they can't even have plastic plants on their porches. That's how strict this HOA is. So I am here to record my repair attempts, just to, again, give the adjuster all of the information that they need to make the best decision for their homeowner. Again, unfortunately, the adjuster wasn't able to come out here and view the damages in person, get a feel for the roof and what the best option is to restore this roof. And hopefully this video can help make that case. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set my camera down. I have marked off the damages. Everything that is marked / through was damaged from the wind. As you can see here, we have a tab. Broken seal. Eventually that fracture is going to become very brittle and it's going to fly off the roof and leave the roof open to any moisture and water damage. So I'm going to be repairing that tab right there. Again, I'm just video recording for the purposes of if there's any issues that I run into, everything will be captured on video, and then I can send it to the adjuster for further consideration of how they want to take care of their insureds. Bear with me, I'm not a videographer. It's kind of windy. I've broken a couple phones trying to record, but sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do to help out the next person. Alrighty, looks like that's good to go. I'm gonna start by unsealing all the surrounding shingles to remove fasteners, the debris, free out the damaged shingle, insert my new repair, and then fasten it. So I'm going to have to lifting these surrounding shingles 2-3 times to free out the damaged shingle and replace it with a new one. All right, so here we go. that I have successfully removed the damaged shingle, I'm going to slide my new repair in and then fasten it. To do so, I need to lift the surrounding shingles to about 60-65 degrees to gain enough clearance for my fastener to make sure that nails are flush to the roof deck and not driven at an angle. Nail heads driven at even the slightest angle can leave the roof open to water to penetrate and roam freely and damage the inside of the property. Again, we are here to professionally restore this property to pre-storm condition, not make it worse. That one, I even hit part of the shingle right here with my hammer because I'm not trying to lift the shingles too high. I'm not trying to cause any damages. Again, I nicked the shingle. Everything is properly secure. So that's the repair right here. And then a common theme with repairing an older roof is that when you repair one course like you do here, and you have to lift these to remove nails, free out the damaged shingle, insert the new repair, and fasten it. The butt joints here, they get 2 nails. That's why you have to lift this shingle twice. Same thing down here, boom, boom, just to make sure that this shingle is fastened in properly. As you can see, the shingles are fracturing. All right, this is why most of the roofs here have been approved for replacement, is because the adjuster sees the condition of the actual roof. And with them doing it, I mean, some of these guys have been doing it for 30-40 years, so they get on a roof and they can just tell right away. But like I said, hopefully the adjuster is the one reviewing this video, or management, whomever it is. They weren't able to come out here, so I felt the need to come out here and record and kind of give the clear picture of the issues that we are running into with trying to repair these fractures. They're going to become more visible in the next rainstorm. This is compromising the shingle's ability to shed water. All this is doing is just simulating rain. Okay, these fractures are going to be more visible in the next rainstorm, but we're not going to be here. So to help expedite the claim, just gently swiping the top. You can see where I had to lift the shingle to nail in, it's fracturing. And that's just due to the age of this roof. These shingles are very brittle. You know, this roof is 15 to 20 years old. These shingles don't last forever. So when you go and you try to repair something of this age and in this condition, additional damages are occurring, okay? The shingle appearance, it's not an exact, so kind of worried that Greg, the HOA president, he goes around every day. I mean, they are very, very strict here. So with that repair right there, it might be passable, but you know, with these shingles being damaged, these are going to be, you know, need repair as well. That patch can get bigger, and that can cause an issue between the homeowner and the HOA. But I still have other repairs to do. We got some down here. Some on the front. There's two right there on that front slope. So, you know, if these issues are not addressed properly, you know, further damage could come from it. Again, I just wanted to video record in case this were to happen, because like I said, other roofs here in the development have already been approved for replacement due to the roofs not being repairable, and this will be deemed non-repairable. Hopefully this video helps. Any further documentation, information that you might need, feel free to reach out. I'm just a resource in this claims process. Again, just trying to help paint the picture of, you know, what we're working with here, because the adjuster was not able to come out here in person. Alrighty, thank you for your time.